So we have a winner for the first Ameyaw exclusive question. This question is an Ameyaw Debra exclusive. In the third chapter of creation, God created plant life. This is the statement God made. And God said, "Let the earth sprout vegetation, seed-yielding herbs, and fruit trees producing fruits according to its kind, in which its seed is found on the earth." And it was so. This is the instructions. Pay close attention to it. Now we are told what the earth produced. And the earth gave forth vegetation, seed-yielding herbs according to its kind, and trees producing fruit, in which its seed is found, according to its kind. And God saw that it was good. Now the question, did the earth do what it was asked to? Yes or no? And please explain your answer. The answer, no, the earth did not do as commanded. Listen to the instructions. And God said, "Let the earth sprout vegetation, seed-yielding herbs, and fruit trees producing fruit according to its kind, in which its seed is found on the earth." And it was so. One of the things the earth is asked to produce, specifically, fruit trees producing fruit, in which its seed is found. What did the earth rather produce? Trees producing fruit in which its seed is found. So the earth did not do exactly what it was commanded to do. Most people answered yes and gave their reasons. It's only one person who answered no but did not give his reason. Because he gets the no correct and does not explain as asked, he gets half of the price tag, which is $25. Mr. Killian Justice Womboti, I know I just butchered your name, forgive me. You are the winner of this Ameyaw exclusive question.
My name is Killian Justice. I happened to chance upon a quiz on Ameyaw Debra's Twitter wall, and I followed up and I answered the question. My attempt to the question was the closest of being right, so I won myself $25. I would like to thank Ameyaw Debra and also to Kingdom of Kings who are sponsoring this program, and also to all those that are in the background working hard to make this program a reality. I also like to urge everyone to go to www.textual.org. All the questions are there. Go there, answer them, and win yourself $100. It's real. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, sir.